guys, so today I'm going to be doing a pineapple juice from scratch for you guys, and I got two nice fresh pineapples right here. I'm going to be doing some ginger, some mint, and a special lime for this one, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this, and I'm going to use the skin, I'm going to use the peel, I'm going to boil the peel and use the flesh to blend, and so that way everything, we're going to use everything on here except the leaves for this one, guys. So stick around. Alright, so we're gonna remove the bottom, remove the top. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut these. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut this into some, some small chunks. Alright, so we got our pineapple skin waiting to be boiled. Got our fresh pineapple chunks, some ginger, some lime, some mint. Alright guys, so look at that. We got some nice boiling water. We're gonna go ahead and start adding our pineapple skin. And of course, when we add our pineapple skin, it's gonna stop boiling. We're just gonna make sure that we add that. Then we're going to go ahead and cover and let that boil. While that's going, you could also add your mint. Add some mint. Add a piece of the ginger. I'm going to keep like a small piece of the ginger for when we're blending. We're going to keep a small piece back for when we're blending the chunks. Just gonna cover that and let that go. Alright, so we're gonna let that cool. Let that sit in there for like an hour to two. Let that cool naturally to room temperature, and while that's cooling, you're extracting all the protein, all the flavor from the skin. So don't rush this process, guys. Just let that sit. Go do something else and then come back to it. Alright guys, so now we have our pineapple skin. We're going to strain that, use the liquid off of that to blend out with our pineapple and our ginger and some lime juice. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to get a blender, we're going to get a sieve, and we're just going to get the liquid from there. So now we're going to go and add some pineapple chunks. Not a lot, because we're not trying to make a smoothie or a slushy. We're just going to get natural juice. Alright, a couple of ginger. And we're going to throw off the juice of the lime. So what I did is I squeeze the lime over the ginger, and we're just going to go ahead and blend this, liquefy this, and strain this, and this will be our pineapple juice. Alright guys, so for this one, we're going to use that feature that says liquefy. And we're just going to go ahead and liquefy this. Alright guys, so you see that? We're going to let that sit for a minute, and then let it take its natural form, and you're gonna get natural pineapple juice, guys. This is no concentrate, nothing added. You see this for yourself, guys, right in front of your very own eyes. Pineapple juice. All right, guys, so now we're gonna get a cup. Let's use the ice. We're gonna get our sieve. We're just gonna pour slowly, so make sure you don't get the froth, or the froth go back to the bottom. And there you go, guys, all that natural fresh pineapple juice. There you go, guys, fresh natural pineapple juice, nothing added.